Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where I'll explain how you can customize Woocommerce checkout page. So let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Right now, Woocommerce uses its default checkout page, which looks outdated. To improve this, we'll use a plugin called Cart Flows. Go to Plugins and then add New. A new page appears from here. Navigate to the search bar and type Cart Flows. May plugins appear as her, but we select tis one, click on Install. It may take time. When installed, click on Activate it. Once done, open the Cart Flows section in your dashboard. Next, go to Store Checkout and import a template. You'll see several options. Choose Store Checkout. This will create two pages, the checkout page and the thank you page. Start with the checkout page. Rename it to Checkout, save changes, and edit the design. If you use Elementor, you can fully customize it. Otherwise, the WordPress editor works too. And in this way, you can easily customize your checkout page. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.